Hi guys, welcome back to the end of the New York session. So today was also a range band day, and essentially what happened was I had two limit orders in. One was a sell limit order based on the 15-minute chart on near the lows of these candles. So it was about here. Price came up pretty close to it, but it didn't touch it. So from the morning session it came up to maybe 48 pips, but didn't quite touch it. My entry was 1.83338, somewhere about there. And then I had another buy limit order in around this area, and so that also didn't hit because price just went choppy sideways on this level here. So going back to the 5 minutes, again, for those who were in the Fiverr program, as always I mentioned, there's a pivot point at the close of the 1020 candle, and so today you would have picked up about 33 pips if you had followed the advice or the trade plan, initial trade plan. And so that's about it. I just decided, because there was some news events today, there was some strong and it was a Friday, so I decided to be a little bit conservative and go by my limit orders and try to fade the top and the bottom, but then no entry. So that's just sometimes that's the price of discipline. You get no entries, and so it is what it is. So far this week was good. We didn't lose much, so we're pretty good on the account, and that's about it. I'll see you next week, Monday, and have a great weekend, and see you next time. Bye.